I'm going to make today 3 vegan, raw, sugar-free desserts. They are high on flavor but low on calories and very easy to make. The recipes will be in the description below. So let's get started. For the first recipe, I'm making a granita. It's a little spiked with rum, so I'm calling it a tipsy pineapple granita. For this recipe, you will need about 2 tablespoons agave syrup, half cup fresh pineapple juice, 2 cups chopped fresh pineapple, 50-ounce rum, and 2 teaspoons lime juice and some fresh mint leaves. First, I start with chopping the pineapple and add it to the blender with all the other ingredients. I have used agave, but you can choose any other vegan sweetener that you prefer, like maple syrup. Adjust the sweetness in the end based on your preference. Rum is totally optional. Now blend everything very well. Then I will go ahead and strain the mixture. Stir it and mix it well. Your mixture is now ready to be poured into a container to freeze. So put it in the freezer section of your refrigerator and your granita should be ready in about 5 to 6 hours. When you're ready to serve, use a fork to scrape out this powdery, fruity goodness. You can serve it with some fresh pineapple cubes and garnish it with a mint leaf. A perfect, light, tropical dessert for a hot summer day. The second raw vegan dessert that I'm making today are carrot cake bites. These are also a great low-calorie snack, perfect to satisfy that sweet craving on the go. For this, I'm using about 2 cups grated carrots, 5 tablespoons coconut flour, 1 cup pitted dates, quarter cup walnuts, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoon vanilla essence, and some raisins for garnish. Grate and keep the carrots aside. Then add a cup of pitted dates to a blender and make a smooth paste. Add the nuts and blend it a little, just roughly, so that you still have small pieces. Shift the grated carrots to a mixing bowl, and then I will go ahead and add some coconut flour, vanilla essence and spices and mix it well. Then I'm adding the date and the nut mixture and combine everything really well. The mixture at this point will look crumbly, but when you take a spoonful in your hands and press it real hard, the mixture will bind together. Once it binds, roll it into a ball shape. Finally, roll all the balls in desiccated coconut and top with raisins. You can store it in the fridge and it will keep well for a week. For our third recipe, I'm making avocado mint fudge bites. The ingredients for this are avocado, cocoa powder, coconut cream, coconut oil, jaggery, walnuts, vanilla and some peppermint extract along with a pinch of salt. First, I will score the avocado and measure about 2 cups. Add it to the blender along with 3/4 cup cacao powder. Blend it well. Then I'm adding 3/4 cup jaggery, half tablespoon coconut oil, half teaspoon peppermint essence, which is optional, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence with a pinch of salt. Finally, I will add 2/3 cup coconut cream and blend all the ingredients together really well. Once they blend, you will have a mousse-like consistency. I have gone ahead and lined an 8-inch by 8-inch pan with parchment paper. Now using a spatula, I spread the mixture evenly, smoothen it out and sprinkle it with chopped walnuts on top. It's ready to be frozen. Freeze it in the freezer section for around 8 hours or leave it overnight to set. Next day, take it out and leave it for a few minutes for it to thaw a little bit. Then take it out from the pan and cut into squares of the size of your choice. You can store your Choco Mint fudge bites in the freezer, and before serving, just let them thaw for a few minutes. So here we have 3 healthy, easy, raw vegan desserts. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and do give us a thumbs up. That means a lot to us always. I hope you try all or at least one of these recipes, and if you do, please tag us on Instagram so we can see. Signing off with love and sunshine. Keep shining and stay safe.